Hello guys, I decided to make my own marshmallow, where this whole pile of marshmallows will be under 40 calories. That means we are cutting the calories of store-bought marshmallows by 10 times, while keeping them as airy and chewy and sweet. Let's do it. It's super easy, it's super quickly, it takes only 30 minutes. Let's go. To start, soak the gelatin leaves in cold water and set it aside. Then, in a heat-proof bowl, mix the white of 1 large egg, a pinch of salt, erythritol-based sweetener, and vanilla flavoring. For this recipe, I do recommend you to use powdered egg whites, as our whites won't be cooked, and pasteurized egg whites will be just safer. Now let's set up a water bath. Pour water in a small saucepan so it doesn't touch the bottom of the bowl when we place it on top. Set the heat to a medium, for me it's 6 out of 10 power. Add the squeezed gelatin and then, stirring constantly, dissolve the gelatin completely. Now you need to act quickly, while your bowl is still warm. Beat the mixture until soft peaks form. The beating technique is exactly the same as in my delightful cottage cheese cream, in the video for the strawberry cake with less than 400 calories. If you haven't seen it, haven't tried it yet, I will leave the link in the description and here at the right top corner. Now, transfer the mixture into a pastry bag or just a simply Ziploc bag, and then cut off a corner from which we will dispense the marshmallow. For mini marshmallows, cut about 1 cm. For medium-sized ones, cut about 2–2.5 cm off. Carefully, with a steady hand, squeeze out the strips onto a parchment paper. Now place the marshmallows in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes to stabilize. Afterward, mix equal parts of cornstarch and powdered sweetener in a bowl. Cut the marshmallows to the desired size with scissors or a knife. Don't forget to dust them with the starch beforehand to prevent sticking it to the blade. Roll the marshmallows in the sweetener and starch mixture, shaking off any excess using a sieve. Surely you have seen these lists of food with almost 0 calories. They often mention cucumbers, strawberries, watermelons. Fantastic options, very good, very healthy, but when you're craving for something sweet and chewy, something like marshmallows, let's agree that watermelon isn't the most equivalent substitute. And there you have it, a huge bowl of marshmallows for just 40 calories. And don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, I have many more low calories and high protein recipes on the go.